I think about 4-0.
4-0?
Yeah.
Okay.
After what them going with the other day, I feel like them have to make it up to us, so I say 3-1.
3-1?
Yeah.
Well, Usain Bolt, them definitely make it up. Coming from a recent loss against Curacao 2-0. The Jamaica Reggae Boyz hammered Bermuda 4-0. The win also put Jamaica in the CONCACAF Group B lead with 9 points.
It's time to rise up. Stand and take your place. Rise up.
Shine like the sun. The journey has just begun. Well, the most recent adventure in this 2026 World Cup journey is the battering Jamaica, the Reggae Boyz, gave to Bermuda. Oh my God. They finished the game 4-0. People, these are the highlights. Well, the first goal we got was from the opponent, Dante Leverak, in the 24th minute. People, it was an own goal, but just look at the free kick. It was beautifully struck by the Reggae Boyz. Comment the player name in the comment section.
From the free kick. Oh, it's an own goal. It's headed in. Dante Leverak.
2 minutes later, Reed got across and just bury it.
And here come the Reggae Boyz again. Reed makes it 2 in a flash.
Then 11 minutes later, in the 35th minute, Nicholson gave Jamaica a goal, cementing the Reggae Boyz lead 3-0.
A burst of pace into the penalty area. Plays it across, and there's the number 3.
I'm here to tell the people, the Reggae Boyz in a top form. Yeah man, them in a top form. Take a look at the fourth and final goal that the Reggae Boyz scored against Bermuda. Yeah man, Richards, pick up for that goal, yeah.
Still Richards. Oh, he goes all the way and he scores. How about that?
I think right now, it's safe to say Jamaica will make it to the World Cup. Listen what Usain Bolt had to say before the match start.
After what them going with the other day, I feel like them have to make it up to us, so I say 3-1.
3-1?
Yeah.
And who has scored the 3 goal?
I don't know now. But them just better score 3. So we feel good and have something to cheer about tonight, is it?
Since the France World Cup in 1998, Jamaica have not been to any other World Cup. But this World Cup, this 2026 World Cup, hosted by the United States of America, Canada, and Mexico, it looked promising for we.